Franciscan manzanita, a species native to San Francisco, had not been seen growing wild since 1947, until it was spotted growing in the Presidio of San Francisco in October 2009. Caltrans transplanted the specimen on January 23, 2010, to make way for the Doyle Drive replacement project. Transplanting costs were funded in part by Federal Highways Administration, Caltrans, the Presidio of San Francisco, and private donors. Manzanita. Manzanita, how naive of me to think we have finally changed. A grove of non-trees, carmine congealed on the branches, peeled skin from a woman's arms, hold tight her love as you become a man. Bright like the bush that opened Moses' eye, twisted limbs, at your fingertips an offering of fruits, the promise of sweet taste after bitterness, bitterness that seems to go on moment after moment. In a garden, your bones are discussed between the artist and the architect, whether it is more suitable to place them on a table with votive candles or to decorate the entrance of a hall. How naive of me to drink your tisane and, without a message, possess your body. Time becomes intolerable. Manzanita standing in front of a fleet of tanks. Manzanita cement pouring. Mandela, Gandhi, Teresa. Beautiful, the new Doyle Drive, majestic with spectacular views, no more car accidents on windy roads. Manzanita, you were the only one. Must we sacrifice ourselves for your beauty? Did we not spend money on your welfare? Did we not pick you up with the gentlest hands? Tamed in the grove of non-trees, drifting.
Bravo.